Paano ba gamitin at i-install ang Zoom using only your phone? Start your meetings like a pro in less than 2 minutes.
Hi! Welcome po sa Smartly Easy. Sa channel na ito, we share with you valuable tips, ideas, and hacks about life, online matters, personal and business growth. This is a part 2 ng last video where I talked about using Zoom kung may nag-invite sa inyo sa isang meeting. And if you're not able to watch it po, be sure to check it out. Just click the link above. In this video, ikaw po yung mag-host ng meeting and ikaw din po yung magbibigay ng mga details like meeting ID and password doon sa taong you will invite. So, let's get started. Step 1, open Zoom, or if hindi pa kayo nakapag-install, install it. And then, click on sign up. Tapos, fill in your birth date and your details like email ad, first name and last name. Click sign up. Click OK po, and then Zoom will send you an email for confirmation purposes. You just have to confirm it by opening your email. Step 2, activate your account. Sagutin lang po yung mga questions nila. Step 3, fill out this section like yung account info and etc. And sa invite colleagues, you can input their email addresses sa mga taong ka-meeting mo. Or pwede mo ring i-skip muna. Then you can also test the meeting if you want to. Then you can start the meeting now or you can go to your account. Let's just click the start meeting now. Step 4, you sign in. Fill up sign in details. Tapos mag-sign in ka. So, click mo lang yung allow access or okay. So, eto na po yung itsura ng Zoom chatroom mo. Ang settings ko po is night mode, kaya black yung itsura ng chatroom ko. And then you can navigate and check if okay yung audio ninyo at video. Here you can end the video or leave the meeting. So that's it. Congrats and you're done on the part 2 of our video. So yung part 3 po, we will discuss itong mga settings po ng chatroom ninyo. Kung madali lang bang gamitin ang Zoom, share your thoughts in the comment section below and I would be happy to read them.